last couple of months, we have seen a lot of AI-based tools in the market. And by the end of 2023, there would be a lot more tools which is going to come. But you don't worry, we are not going to discuss on these tools, neither we are going to see how AI can be used for your SaaS. You can find a lot other YouTube videos on these topics which can help you out. But rather, I'm going to predict the next big thing which is going to revolutionize the industry and how businesses work. Now, again, this is my prediction. This is something that I've seen and I may thought of. It's not something which is truly valid and can cause some changes. And the thing that I'm going to talk with you is about Web3 plus AI. Now, from the last 2-3 years, we have seen the flow of Web3 soon after NFT comes, and now it is AI which is moving on. Think about a tool or an industry, a technology stack which is built on top of these three techs. It could be have power to do anything, protected with the help of Web3, and with the help of AI, it is able to do anything and change the world. Industries like healthcare, IT, designing, a lot can be affected with this. These two big technologies can, if they work together, I feel like they are really big point and have a tremendous growth in their tech stack and change the things. Now, again, this is something that I have came across and I thought about it, so I feel like sharing with you guys. But yeah, who knows what's going to come? Maybe it's going to be something else in the future. But also, I want to give some time and want to highlight my blog on Medium. The links would be in the description. Please check it out. All the things and resources and about SaaS that I talk are on this blog. You can go and check it out, and in case of anything, you can feel free to query me.